Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and today what we're going to speak about is 6 millionaire habits that you can adopt today and start helping yourself with your morning routines. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. for me to post. So let's go. So the first thing that personally for me, as you know, I've got a daughter, and so with my daughter, she's my alarm clock. She wakes up early in the morning, which is awesome and helpful for me personally, because that's what I need to do anyway. So I don't actually need an alarm in the morning because she literally wakes up at 8 a.m, which is perfect. Or for me, if I want to wake up earlier, like 7 o'clock, I'd use my alarm. But apart from that, most of the time, my daughter's actually my alarm. So yeah, I don't really need an alarm clock. But with saying that, some of you guys do not have kids. So what I will say to you is, getting into the first one is sound. When it comes to you waking up in the morning, the sound that you hear is so important. So guys, I know you can all relate to this, most of you anyway, if you guys don't have kids, or if you do have kids. A lot of people have the iPhone alarm. I'm gonna try and put the sound right here. Yeah, the iPhone alarm, that is so annoying. And with that sound, you know, it wakes you up and it gets you angry because you're thinking, gosh, I need to wake up. This is disturbing me from my sleep. So what I can suggest you do is use the sleeping app. And this sleeping app is called Sleep App Cycle. And what this does is it helps you, it sees, you know, when you're gonna go to sleep, and you set certain things on it so they know what time you wake up and stuff. But my point in saying that is when you use that app, then you have more of a relaxing tone, like it's all quiet, then it gets louder. You guys know what I'm saying. But that will really help you because then you're not waking up to a sound that is really alarming in your ear and that's annoying. So I think you guys should do that. Invest in, it's not even an investment thing. I believe the app is free anyway. So that will really help you. The next thing I'm going to talk about is, I'm going to talk about light. In the UK, when it's winter, we don't wake up to light at all. In the winter, it's dark. It could be literally 9 a.m, 8 a.m, and it's pitch black dark. I do not want that to affect you at all. You should still wake up in the morning because look, sometimes you could be in bed, you could feel so lazy and you could be like, oh, I'm still going to stay in bed because it's dark. But no, darling, it's 8 a.m. outside or it's 9 a.m. You need to get your butt up. And so don't let that affect you. So you can use these things like smart light or loom light, and that will really help you because then it goes dark and then it goes all the way bright. And so that is beautiful. Rather than someone waking you up to open the shower saying, wake up, or open the curtains, that will get you annoyed, right? So I believe that you should invest in these little lights and that will really help you rather than you waking up to something where someone's literally opening the light shutters for you, because that will get you in a bad mood. And I want you guys to be in a positive mood when you wake up. The next thing I'm going to say is drink water. Be hydrated and then meditate. So instead of you waking up in the morning thinking, okay, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna do? Blah, 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 blah. What you should do is wake up in the morning, have a bottle of water right beside you already so you don't need to think about that. Have your clothes set up the night before so everything's all laid out so you don't need to think about the things that are irrelevant. And what you should do is meditate. As I say, meditation is so important. It makes you feel good, it makes you feel mindfulness, and it makes you feel honestly unstoppable. Because when your mind is nice and clear, you have that time for yourself. And if you're a person where, you know, your kids take up your whole life and time and you feel like, I have no time for myself, what you should do is start waking up earlier so you have that specific time for yourself. Because me as a mother, I know exactly what you mean where you feel like you don't have time for yourself, but which is why, you know, you can invest in nannies, or at the same time, if you can't invest in nannies, that's fine. What you can do is wake up earlier than your daughter or son, or your kids. Or at the same time, what you can do is you can actually, when they go to sleep, that is your free time. With me, when I first had my beautiful baby girl, you know, my whole time was like, whoa, I have no time for myself. But then I saw her get into a routine, and then I used that time when she goes to sleep, that's my time, and so on. And that will really help you, because with me before, I'd like let her go to sleep, and the night time was literally my time. Which felt so good. I felt like, yes, got to sleep early, so I have my own free time. But at the same time, sometimes your child don't sleep early, so wake up before then. So all of these things, it will help, and you'll feel much more better about yourself. And at the same time, you know, you've got to have family to help you, and your partner. But yeah. The next one is eliminate distractions. I want you to take away all the distractions around you. So anything that you feel is a distraction to you in the morning, eliminate it, remove it from you. So you eliminate anything that will affect you in the morning, because your mornings need to start out positive. It needs to start out great. And you not need to have to think about certain things that you shouldn't have had to thought about because you should have done it yesterday, you know? So I want you to have that type of mindset, and I believe that will be perfect. And finally, of today, what I want to say is block your times in the morning. Listen, guys, me personally, on my calendar, if you would ever try to book an appointment with me, you will not see morning times, unless you're in USA, because that will be like morning. But in UK, you won't get a morning time with me. I block out my mornings because that's the time for myself. It's important for me to do my workouts. It's important for me to do my meditation. It's important for me to look after my daughter, and so on. So I always block out mornings, and then from the afternoon onwards, that's the time that's open for my clients or whoever needs to be. Because I feel like mornings is the time for you to honestly, your head's done, your head's ready, get your mindset going. You need to not have no distractions. Don't be jumping on the phone in the morning. Like all of that stuff, you need to stop doing. Just start thinking about yourself, because honestly, your phone is such a huge thing. Like, people don't realize, but your phone is literally your world. The way people idolize their phone is literally their world. And like, try to move yourself away from there, and in the mornings just focus on you and only you, rather than your phone and what's on social media today. And these little things will really help you, and I believe you will benefit from it. So guys, I hope you loved today. Comment down below, tell me what you thought. Give me different ideas that you want me to speak about, because I'd love to speak about it, but I need you to comment down so I know what you want me to speak about. But guys, I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you next Wednesday at 7 p.m. Bye.